Hey guys, it's me, Jack, and I'm running in my bathroom because my friend's out there. Come on, let's go. I need to change. Oh, dang it. Oh, get ready. What's up? Hello? Anybody there? Whoa! This is gonna be it. This is it. This is it. Okay. I don't know if you can see that well, but oh, it's on, man. It's on. You have to do it in a squeaky voice. Of course, now this means war. So ha. Whoa.
Did I shoot you once?
Nope. Oh, that's cool. Ready? Let's hope this works. Charge! Never! You show yourself!
Never!
Why?
Because I'm smart and brave.
Then if you're smart and brave, if you're brave, that means you would show yourself.
Jack, I'll make a deal.
What?
If you win this war, we don't play Lego Star Wars 3. If I win, we play Star Wars 3. Okay?
Ha! How many times did I hit you?
I have no idea, but one do it.
No, I hit you in the head a bunch of times.
I don't know.
You only hit me in the head once. You hit me in the arm and head 2 times, and I hit you like 5.
I don't know.
So I guess what?
Yeah, but I did not have a fully loaded clip. You did.
Well, yeah, because I don't waste my ammo. Well, that's all for this video. Bye.